Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you what is the Shazam shortcut and how you can create it on your iPhone. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, you need to open the settings, and now once you open it you will be able to see the interface on in the screen, where you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the control center, which is just down below of this general option. So simply select that option, and now you will be redirected to the control center section, where you can see the music recognition just down below of this screen. So simply let me remove it first to show you a demo from the scratch. So now you need to scroll a little bit down, and now you can see the music recognition. So simply tap on that plus icon which is at the left side, and now you will be able to add it in your control panel successfully. Now to access it, you simply need to slide it from the top right corner of your screen, and now you will be able to see the Shazam icon in here at the bottom right corner of your screen. So now you simply need to hold it, and now you can see your history over here. And if you want to access it, you simply need to tap on it, and yeah, you will be able to access it successfully. So basically this is how you can create your Shazam shortcut on iPhone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.